Hey guys, Dave from the Tenderhood here. I've got little Mo with me who's going to show us how to navigate the map so that we don't get lost.
Really excited to show you how to use the map. It's the place you always want to start. If you want to go anywhere in the Tenderhood, you go to the map. If you look at the map, each of the buildings on the map has a specific function. If you want to go into the map, into each building, you just click on it. You'll notice most of these buildings have colors, but some of them are grayed out. So these grayed out buildings require a paid membership.
How do we know we've got a paid membership, Mo?
Aha! You scroll down here and you take a look at your resident status. If you're a resident, that means you have access to the pub and any of these buildings that are lit up. That status will change if you become a paid member with a paid subscription.
What happens, Mo, after I pay to play?
Well, once you pay to play, you become a player. And so what happens is your map then lights up. And you'll see you now have blue buildings here, and that gives you access to our unique tender matching service on the playing field, and of course access to the magic of AndyBot.
Very exciting. Thanks, Mo, that was fun.
I thought it was.
So are there any plans to develop the map going forward?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you go to the pub, that's part of the reason for the social network. We want feedback. We want feedback to be able to develop and build the Tenderhood. So we're looking for you to tell us more of what you need.
How do we do that?
Let me show you. So from anywhere on the site, you can go over here on the left and access the update panel to always find out what's going on. So if you go into town planning, that's where you, Mayor, have outlined where we are to date. You can also find another map that has a little bit more detail, including all the buildings that are under construction. And any information on those is found below. So you can just take a peek inside on some that are already underway or those we're thinking about. And if you have any feedback on that, we want to hear from you. And you just come up to the top of the page and join the discussion.
Cheers, little Mo. You guys get signed up, use the map. That's the best way to figure out how to navigate it. And we'll see you next time. Mo, nice tender hoodie.
Thanks.